Pulkit, your good looks have just blinded me, and I took your sunny brow. So apologies, Your Highness.
No. Anything you call me with love, I'm always happy.
पति बुला दूंगी मैं, ऐसे मत बोलो, ठीक है? Good to see you, Pulkit. Thank you so much, Richa. Can you please take a seat and ask you a few questions? How do you manage to look so sexy in every avatar? Every avatar. Over here, the way you looked in those 2 seconds also, Katil. How do you manage, Richa?
They hired a damn good makeup artist actually. I had nothing to do with it. And that's the secret to anybody looking sexy at all times, because it's not possible.
She's being modest. For sure. I mean, it's not the makeup, I'm talking about the look, the way you look at things.
I love the character. She's like this fantasy kind of creature. Everybody is swooning after her. Her name is also Leela. I enjoyed playing this kind of a role. I normally don't. So that's why this was very fun for me to do.
But you are a Murat of versatility, you know that. No? You've done all sorts of things. You're like a Gujarati thali. There's everything. Everything that we've sort of expected or not expected will be given by who? Richa Chadha.
Okay.
that's
From now on, you can call me Gujarati Thali, but
I'm not making any amorous jokes.
Pulkit, moving on to you, Fukre returns. What a diverse character, and now, you know, this man who is behind 2 crores, not behind 2 crores, something is on about him. Why 3 stories? Why did you choose this?
Why did I choose this?
Yes.
You know, firstly, of course, the kind of cast that is there in this one, to be working with such an amazing cast, and also to get an opportunity to learn from my seniors like Renuka ji, and I had a couple of scenes with her. So that was very exciting. Obviously, I wrote the script, which was very exciting. And so yeah, everything when it came together, there was no reason for me to even think twice about this film.
Right.
And after Fukre to do something which has a little more terror and mystery in the character, rather than, you know, being so energetic and jumping around and, you know, being the Lorda, though I'm the guy in this as well, which is obvious. But yeah, so I think it was an obvious choice to go with.
If
And
you did-
Richa being sexy in the film,
Of course.
I had to.
How can you miss out on that? Every chance you get, we're going to talk about Richa Chadha's sexiness. But if you did manage to get 2 crore rupees, hypothetically, let's just, you probably are getting it also.
No, I
but
get it.
if
That's
you
no
do,
problem.
if you do in a matchbox, what is the first thing that you're going to buy, Pulkit?
If I get it in a matchbox,
Yeah, what is the
What-
first thing that
what
you're
is
going to
the
buy?
first
What's the
thing I'm
reaction
gonna
going to be
buy?
like?
what's the first thing I'm gonna buy? I don't know.
just put it in your bank quietly.
Yeah. No,
You said buy
And link your Aadhaar card.
I'll try and use it before the new denomination gets out of the market. That's
Good
more
boy.
important.
Good boy. And Mr. World का खिताब जाता है तुम्हें. Can we please have a huge round of applause for Masoom? Hello ma'am, how are you today?
I'm very well, thanks. I'm doing very well. I'm very happy that the film is releasing.
From Bhavi ji खुशियों का खजाना to this Mummy Returns. Wow. And that look. Did you like, what was your sort of mindset when you said yes to the film, you were acting the film?
Actually, when I was offered the film itself, I was just stunned. I said, कि कौन सोचता है कि मुझे एक ऐसा role offer करे?
Exactly.
So I was like really, and of course, as an actor, I was so excited by it, and I was so happy that I was selected for the role. And to sink your teeth into a character which is not from your milieu at all is very rare for any actor. So it's been such a fantastic journey, helped a lot by makeup artists, Serena who did my makeup of course, and Fabeha who did the clothes, Meenal who did the set. So it all kind of created Flori, and of course the brain behind it is Arjun, who had this conviction about casting me in it. And then finally, I got help from a lady called Anna Pereira, whose clip Arjun had sent me to do sort of homework on. And she was amazing. I mean, whatever I've based in the film is very much Anna Pereira from Juhu. And the other thing is that my hairstylist is a Goan Christian, so she helped me, Jenny. So I had some 2 or 3 people who I could base my character on. It was wonderful.
We are very grateful that you're coming in a film where you're acting Flory, and I don't know why, but we're feeling that maybe end में ना सबका खून कर देगी ये लड़की. ये सबको मार देगी. Yeah, something like that. Maybe this is my brain. But I am so glad, and I'm so glad and happy, and thank you for having Renuka Shahani ma'am in this character.
We are very grateful that she's in our film.
How nice. How nice. Moving on, Maksume, there's so many shades. There's so much. We are thinking maybe ये लड़की शायद प्यार में 1 साल चाहिए मम्मी पापा से अच्छा ठीक है लेकिन ये चल रही है ये ट्रेन के नीचे तो नहीं आ जाएगी. What all went and happened to you in this film? Did it affect you in your personal life? Because it is quite, it affects us in 2 minutes of the trailer.
Thank you for that. We tried really hard, and I think what was really fun about doing the character is it's nothing like I've ever done before.
Yes.
It's not a character that I've ever been offered before also to do. In fact, I had to fight for this role, literally. I have to tell you a story that Arjun loves to say, by the way. He saw my Google pictures and says, this character doesn't look like what I want. You know, how is it possible? So that same day, I basically went to my maid and said, can you please give me a sari? And if I actually
What
get
did
the
she?
part,
I want to know. What was her reaction? क्या कह रही हो दीदी? मैं नहीं दूंगी साड़ी. मैं दूंगी कल से काम पे. What did she have to say about
I
it?
told her I'll pay her for it also. If I get the role, I will pay you for that sari. Let me just wear it for this audition so that they think that I can be this character.
Right.
And I actually worked really hard to try and be in the part and do all of that. And then finally came there and I refused to do the audition unless Arjun actually came and said, listen, watch it. And then the rest is history, I would say.
With the cast, I mean, there's so much talent happening over here. Hai? Were there moments where you had to underplay yourself, overplay yourself, only so that you could match up with the energies of the cast?
There's a brilliant cast for sure, and they all put so much effort into it. But the synergies of everyone was so wonderful. Priya created such an amazing atmosphere on the set that we all felt like it was community living, and we were like part of a family, a bigger family that did really strange things. But yeah.
Yeah, like who puts like crore, itna sab matlab heere jawharat in a matchbox? Where did that happen?
See, you never know, you know.
You never know.
All these people out there, we don't know what they're doing or what's in their lives, right? So,
Wow.
Can't see
Can't
ours.
wait for the 9th of March. But let's just call upon the remaining cast. And Ankit Rathi, can we please have you on stage? Can we please clap for them? Debut. There's a secret there. Thanks.
Not at all, sadly. We don't have any like fun stories to share.
Like no pranks played on you at all whatsoever?
No pranks, but Renuka ma'am used to be the one who would take our pictures while we are asleep, like on set, night shoot. Like she would just
Absolutely Flory character. Mummy Returns is doing all these very weird, twisted things. Ankit, I want to ask you a question. So, it's every sort of a debut actor, and I shouldn't be generalizing, but they want this. You obviously didn't choose that path.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for that. Thank you for breaking the stereotype.
Yeah.
But why 3 stories and why did you choose this film?
Actually, the film chose me, to be very honest, because it's very surreal. Because I was giving audition. I'm not from industry, and like a random audition, I gave audition for this film, and I was lucky enough that Priya and Arjun and Ritesh and everyone selected. So I think the film chose me, but I was lucky and fortunate enough that I get to work in this kind of film. I would say that.
I just wanted to बहुत बढ़िया काम किया बेटा तुमने, very nice work.
Thank you.
Now moving to Aisha. Aisha has the same question, you know. I mean, with debutantes, you know how it is. I mean, there's a lot of the co-stars are having dinner together, and कोई किसी का बेटा है, कोई किसी की बेटी है. Well, but that's besides the point. But there's a lot of drama, and there's a lot of too much commercial scenes involved in a demi film for any demi-turn actor. Then why did you choose 3 stories? Were you not scared that मुझे अच्छा makeup नहीं देंगे, नहीं मिलेगी?
No, actually my makeup was very nice anyway.
Oh, that's for sure. But like over the top makeup.
Yeah, but you know, like I think for the time when it happened, it was perfect, and it's never been that. I don't know. It was never my dream. Like I don't mind commercial. Like I would love my hair flying, and I'm walking, and the boy trips looking at me. It's great. I want all that. But at that time, this was perfect, and it happened so fast. Like I gave the audition. Then after one day, I met Arjun. I auditioned with Ankit, and the 4th day, I think I signed the contract. It was perfect. Now, I think once you all will see the film, you all will realize how perfect it is. It's that perfect mix of commercial and yeah.
So we're waiting for the 9th of March. We should just tattoo it on our body and hope that nothing delays any film in 2018 ever. No groups, political parties who want stupid publicity. But let's just moving on. Having said that, the media is here, the cast and the producers. Guys, if any questions, please feel free to ask. Are you guys ready for the questions?
My question is for Ritesh. After Fukrey returns, what made you?
This film was actually done much before Fukrey. We were just, and like you've been asking them about the kind of story. I think it's I don't know what is the definition of commercial cinema. I really don't know. Was Fukrey commercial? Yes or no? Did anybody expect it to do that? I mean, no one can say. Is the story interesting? Is it intriguing? Is it something you want to be a part of and tell? And I think films find its own commerce. It depends on the budget. We did a film in 2006 called Honeymoon Travels. Nobody at that time thought that we were talking of a package honeymoon tour. And after that, many films have been made. Nobody thought Kahani would be commercial. Priya's been a part of 2 or 3 films which she's done as a producer, which were small, niche, and gone out and made its mark and been commercial. So I think every film finds its own platform and people. How much is that commerce is, I don't think is irrelevant. I think as long as you enjoy the experience, you believe in the world, you identify with the characters, you take back something home from it, is what it makes it. So for me, that is exactly we do with any script, whether we did Fukrey or we'll do Gold, Gully Boy, 3 stories. All of them, I think, is it a story we want to tell? Is it a story we feel people will be interesting? And especially in today's time, does this make it for a theatrical experience? I know it's not action, it's not that, but it is a kind of film which we feel and we believe. That is why B4U and Excel have decided to give it that platform and bring it to a cinema and not take it just straight to a digital release. So I think the experience you'll have of it in the theatres is going to be remarkable.
Thank you.